Since ancient times, Bharatanatyam was influenced by various dynasties and cultural developments. The Cholas, Pallavas, and Nayakas played pivotal roles in nurturing and propagating this art form. The Cholas, in particular, were ardent patrons of the arts, and their reign marked a significant period of growth for Bharatanatyam. The Nayakas of Vijayanagara Empire further encouraged this dance form, leading to its spread across the different regions. The following repertoire is Jathiswaram, Ragam Kalyani, Talam, Rupakam. Jathiswaram is an example of a pure dance or nritta sequence in which the performer weaves several patterns on a basic musical composition. Just like its name, it is executed to the tune of a combination of swara passages in a particular raga and thaalam. It is so named on account of the fact that it consists of jatis set to the swaras. Unlike Alaripu, where the dance is performed to mnemonic syllables, in Jathiswaram, another element of melody is introduced. It is distinguished from other musical compositions like the Geetam, Shabdam, or Varmam while having no lines of poetry. The Jathiswaram follows the rules of the Swarajati in musical structure and has three parts, the Pallavi, Anupallavi, and Charanam. In the Pallavi, to the repetition of the sound melody, the dancer weaves different rhythmic patterns from the primary adavus. The dance choreography relates to the melodic line, sometimes through a note-to-note synchronization, at other times through syncopation. It may be set to any of the jatis of the Talam, that is to the beats of 3, 4, 5, 7 or 9, Tishram, Chatushram, Mishram, Khandam and Sangeetam. In the second half or Anupallavi, the dance cadences are also set to the full line of the note, that is swara, and the combination of different swaras. It is noticed here that while composing for each of these melodies, the dancer has to bear in mind that the dance patterns are governed by musical patterns only. The cross rhythms and non-synchronized patterns of the dance, when the dancer deliberately does not execute a note-to-note synchronization, is equally governed by the musical melody and the metrical cycle, which is the talam. Hence, it is observed that in the first portion there is a general synchronization of the dancer's movements and the swaras of the song. In the second portion, there is a note-to-note synchronization of the movements with the swaras. The Jathiswaram then becomes a dance where the dancer presents as much as pure dance as she can, with a wide range of improvisation, both in terms of the Adavu sequences as well as the rhythmic patterns. Name of the participants are Snigdha, Nehal, Anvesha, Juliet, Ashna, Gayatri, Arya, Nishita and Sia.
Jathiswaram in Ragam Kalyani, Talam Rupakam, a traditional choreography.